How to connect to the Wi-Fi on your Sharp television. So in this video, I'll show you how to connect to the internet on your smart television, and this will allow you to access online platforms such as Netflix and also download apps as well. Now, all you need to do is head over to the home screen on your TV. So you can do that by pressing the home button on your television remote. Once you're on the home screen, you need to go and bring up the settings. So you can either use the directional arrow keys to come up to settings at the top here, and then you can press OK to access the quick settings. You can also just press the settings button on your TV remote. Now, once you're on the settings, you'll need to scroll down to Wi-Fi and click on this. Make sure Wi-Fi is toggled to on like you see here. You can then scroll down to your list of Wi-Fi connections and just go and select your Wi-Fi from the list of options. You'll then need to enter your Wi-Fi password. Now, this would typically be found on the back of your router. Once you've entered your Wi-Fi, you'll now be connected to the internet, and you can now start browsing the internet and using streaming platforms like Netflix.